has been a long time since we have done a car vlog. Oh my goodness. So yeah, what's going on in your neck of the woods? Because it is Pothole City up in Naptown, baby. We have got potholes. So if you see me just like my car just like fall off into the earth somewhere, just know it's an Indiana pothole and it swallowed up swallowed up my car. Because that can happen in Indiana. Potholes are like, you know, sinkholes, like craters, baby. So what's going on? It is not my usual time for filming. It is after work today and it is so ugly outside. It is like a gray day in the neighborhood, and I am headed to the TJ Maxx. So my girlfriend Kimberly over on Pretty Over 50 has got me on a TJ Maxx run for her, and y'all know how I love to go to the TJ Maxx. So I am heading to TJ Maxx first, and then if I don't find what I'm looking for, I am gonna head over to the Marshalls. But TJ Maxx is what I passed by first, so I'm gonna go into the TJ Maxx and see if I can find some stuff. And then yeah, it has been slim pickings at the TJ's lately in my area, but it's got to get better and I don't want to miss it when it does. So yeah, I'm gonna go and stop by there. I was not doing so good this weekend. It was really bad. It was nasty outside, and you know, wow, the seasonal affective disorder was like kicking in, and it was just a gloomy weekend. The sun doesn't shine too much, so I was doing some self-care, and I have picked up, you know, not for my channel either, I have started picking up the Facetory box for myself. I am a face mask fiend, and I love face masks, and the Facetory box is so nice for self-care. And you know, I love a bathtub and I love to face mask, and I have really been having a ball with those, and they are really good. My skin is doing so well. I love the mask that they put in the box. The box is like a $19.99 box. I've really been liking it. I don't think that there's a lot of glitz and glory to opening up the box, so I just don't open the box on my channel. I am gonna try to do a quick kind of a maybe go over the masks that was in my box. I'm gonna be doing that with Love Your Skin, Vanessa over on Love Your Skin. I think she's Love Your Skin 2019, maybe that's how her channel. It's really hard for me to remember, and there's so many different Love Your Skins handles out there, but I think hers is Love Your Skin _ 2019. She's the one that put together our Spaladay giveaway collab that we did with Catherine McCarty and everything, Proof Makeup, and with Julie Unboxing Me, and then Love Your Skin. But she just tears up. She's always tearing up the Instagram with her putting on her mask, and she doesn't scare anybody. But whenever I put on my mask, man, I look like some serial killer that's gonna look like somebody from Friday the 13th. So anyway, yeah, I don't know if she like uses a filter or what, where she doesn't scare you, but she looks good with her mask on, and I look like, you know, Jason from Friday the 13th. So yeah, you know, whatever, Vanessa. But anyway, I think that we're going to like maybe do a collab where we kind of review the mask. They were so good this month. I'm just telling you, there was one in there that heats up. It's like a tinsel, red tinsel. It's like a Lunar New Year lucky mask. I don't know, but it was from like Yada or something like that, and it was so good because it heated up with your skin. Oh, it felt so good. I really liked that one. And oh, your skin looks so good afterwards. And I love their masks because they're really, really juicy. So you can use the mask again, the contents that's in the bag. So it's like you get more than one mask out of it. And even though there's no mask there, the juice is there. So the serum is there. It's so good. Really, really loving that. But anyway, so, you know, with my car vlogs, you know, there is usually a palette tune trivia. So I wanted to, I've had this palette that I've been needing to do. I've been trying to wait for my girlfriend at work to do this one because, oh my goodness, you guys know I can't sing. So, and this one's kind of hard to do. And so I was wanting my girlfriend Stephanie, because she and her husband and some of their friends have a band here in Indy. And so I was really wanting her to do this one for me, and we just have not been able to get up for her to come out to my car to do the song for me. But anyway, so I'm just gonna do this. So anyway, I have a palette, and you know, there's something about the tune that has to do with the palette. So the tune is actually, the name of the song is the name of the palette. So this one should be so flippin' easy if you can tell what it is that I'm singing, with me being tone deaf, singing off key, and all that kind of stuff, and the fact that I can't sing. But anyway, so here we go. I'm gonna cheat. So I'm gonna listen to this and I'm gonna sing with it. I hope this works. I hope it don't come out through my car. So anyway, I'm cheating. Okay, so let me get up here and okay, let's see. And like I said, the name of the palette and the name of the song are the same. So let's see if you can guess it. You'll be able to guess it. Faithful, 'cause I'm counting on you beginning a reason for living, a deeper meaning, yeah. I wanna stand with you on the mountain. I wanna bathe with you in the sea. And I wanna lay like this forever, until the sky falls down on me. Okay, do you have it? Do you got it? Huh? Okay, pretty easy, right? Okay, so leave me your best guesses below. And that's the palette tune trivia this time. So yeah, I look forward to hearing from you. And we will draw for this. I will leave it right across the screen. It'll be 1 week from today whenever this video gets posted. I'll make my drawing from the random comment picker. Again, this has no nothing affiliated with YouTube. It's just something that I like to do, and the palette was purchased by me with my money for you, my subscribers. So be sure that you are subscribed to my channel. You need to leave a like on the comment and leave a like on the video, and just put in the comment, enter me, and that is what I will filter. Because I don't want you to, if you don't guess the right name of the palette, it's okay. Just put in enter me and you will be entered to win the palette. So I will be filtering with the random comment generator, picker, whatever it's called, the word enter me. So that has to be in your comment or you will not be entered to win the palette. So again, you have to be 18 years or older and have a U.S. shipping address for me to ship the palette to you. And so yeah, I hope that you like this giveaway, and I hope that you're excited about it. I absolutely love this palette, and so yeah, good luck everybody, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Mwah. Smooches. Bye bye for now.